Hi, I'm Jeff, and welcome to Slow English Stories. Tonight's story is about a man traveling on a train at midnight. The lights go out. The silence grows heavier. And suddenly, he realizes he is not alone. Listen carefully, repeat with me, and practice English step by step. This story will help you practice listening and shadowing in English. You will hear simple sentences with suspense and mystery. Follow me until the end and repeat when I pause. If you enjoy these stories, consider leaving a like. It helps this channel reach more learners around the world. Now, sit back and let's begin. It was almost midnight. The station was quiet. Too quiet. Only a few passengers stood on the cold platform, waiting. A long whistle broke the silence. The train appeared through the fog. Its lights flickered, yellow and weak. The doors opened with a slow, metallic sound. Daniel stepped inside. He looked around. Only 3 other passengers were there. An old man with a hat, a young woman reading, and a boy staring out the window. Daniel chose a seat near the middle. The train started moving, slowly at first, then faster. The night outside was dark. No stars, no moon, only endless trees. Minutes passed. The woman turned a page. The boy leaned his head on the glass, and the old man closed his eyes. Daniel tried to relax, but something felt wrong. The lights above flickered, once, twice, and then went out completely. The train was in darkness. Someone gasped. A voice whispered. Footsteps echoed in the corridor, slow, heavy. But when the lights came back, all 3 passengers were still in their seats. Daniel's heart beat faster. Did I imagine it? He thought. The old man opened one eye and said quietly, "You're not the only one here." Daniel froze. The woman lowered her book. The boy sat up straight. All 3 looked at him at the same time. And in the reflection of the window, Daniel saw another figure standing right behind him. Quick question for you. Would you stay in your seat or walk away in that situation? Write your answer in English in the comments. I'm curious what you would do. Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat with me. It was almost midnight. The train appeared through the fog. The lights flickered. The train was in darkness. Footsteps echoed in the corridor. You are not the only one here. Repeat again with me. He looked around the train. There were 3 passengers. The lights went out completely. A voice whispered. He saw a figure in the reflection. He was not alone. Vocabulary practice. Whistle. Repeat. Whistle. Example. A long whistle broke the silence. Fog. Repeat. Fog. Example. The train appeared through the fog. Flicker. Repeat. Flicker. Example. The lights flickered before going out. Whisper. Repeat. Whisper. Example. A voice whispered in the dark. Reflection. Repeat. Reflection. Example. He saw a figure in the reflection of the window. Recap. Let's review the story. Daniel boarded the midnight train. There were only 3 other passengers. The lights flickered and went out. He heard footsteps in the dark. The old man whispered, "You are not alone." And in the reflection, Daniel saw another figure. Great job! Today you practiced listening, shadowing, and suspense vocabulary with me, Jeff. Remember, practice a little every day, and your English will improve faster. If you enjoyed this story, consider leaving a like. It helps more learners find these episodes. And tell me in the comments, what would you do on that train? Would you stay or move away? Also, share your ideas. What kind of stories do you want next? Funny, mysterious, emotional, or maybe scary? In the next episode, I will share the story of a student who enters an exam room, but the questions on the paper are not from this world. See you soon!